It's Monday. We've got everything back together. The last step now is to get in alignment and pray that they can align it. The only reason I'm worried is because even before the accident, which if you're new, I basically ripped off the whole wheel. It was only hanging on by the brake line, so I replaced the lower control arm, lower ball joint, upper ball joint, tie rod, wheel bearings, spindle, yeah, basically everything. But even before all of that work, the people at Firestone at least would tell me, oh, something, we can't align it for some reason. I think they're just blowing smoke, but we're gonna go to another shop, one that did my buddy's car pretty well. So yeah, that's the only thing. First we have to get the turn signal in and the marker light, and I'll show you how I put my turn signal into the marker light. Basically just drill an extra hole. It's really that easy actually. Got it in there nice and snug. There you go. The blinker is in the marker light. Looks good enough. This side's been holding up really well. You kind of just drill a hole and then file it down until you can squeeze the bulb in. I used the blowtorch this time, which kind of helped mold it, but probably don't need to do that. But yeah, we're all good now. Time to go get in alignment. Sideways, going straight. My phone died out front of the alignment shop, but here it is. It's kind of aligned. They couldn't do the caster or the camber, but they did the toe. They're claiming that the inner and outer tie rod on the driver's side is bad, so we gotta replace those. But it is driving a lot better. So, let's go. Here's the steering wheel now. A lot better. Still off. I don't know if you can tell, but. Yeah, a lot better. Holy we're beyond stoked. We made it up to Sundance. Thank the Lord. It's been like a month since we went skiing, and she handled the drive up the canyon just fine. This side is looking good. This side is looking a little off, honestly. But we're stoked. The radiator is still filled up with mostly just water, but we made it up the canyon without overheating. And look at what we got. We got all the gear. God, this is a blessing. Also, we haven't replaced the piece of the bumper, but that's all good. We gotta paint that up before it rusts away, or prolong its life a little bit. Also, this guy, rusting away. It's all good though. We're gonna ride this thing to the wheel. All of the wheels fall off, not just one of them. That one wheel was not gonna stop us. All of these wheels have to fall off, and then we'll stop driving it. But yeah, let's go. It's beautiful. I just did the turn signal in that corner light, so I was just making sure it was bright and working. But it looks good, right?
Yeah,
looks
it does.
Legit.